friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Razer Blade 14 Mercury edition with USB4 support. So friend, the Razer Blade 14, the world's most powerful 14-inch gaming laptop, is now available in a fresh new Mercury edition finish. And friend, this colorway combines the Mercury anodized aluminum chassis with the matte black keyboard for a truly striking aesthetic package. And this new colorway is exclusive to two Blade 14 GPU configuration, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. And the addition of the Mercury to the Blade 14 line marks the first time any Razer Blade is available in three different colorways: Stimulously Mercury, Quartz and Black. And friend, upgrading with the two USB Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports to USB 4 and bringing support for Microsoft Pluton and USB 4 expand peripheral capability, increasing device connectivity options and enabling multi-monitor deployments. And friend, support for Thunderbolt peripherals including Razer's Thunderbolt dock and 4x external graphics enclosures and more. And friend, the Microsoft Pluton's shift to cloud security technology protects users with an array of hardware-based security capabilities and service. And friend, all Blade 14 laptops are protected by a 1-year manufacturing warranty and 2-year battery warranty backed by Razer's award-winning customer support. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Ryzen 9 3060 model is priced at $2000 and Ryzen 9 3070 Ti model is priced at $2600. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.